New tonight, Georgia now has the 5th highest cases of monkeypox in the country at 158. We're actually the 3rd among states if you're looking at it by population. Fulton County is seeing the majority of cases.
And tonight they're going to be partnering with Atlanta Pride to get the information out to people. Hope Ford joins us live in the studio. And Hope, you were listening in on that meeting tonight, right?
Yeah, and some of the work these groups are trying to do is trying to get accurate information to people. For instance, you might have seen these pictures when you've heard about or searched for information about monkeypox, especially this one right here. Lots and lots and lots of lesions. But at first, that's not all what they always look like. Cases in the U.S., those lesions might look more like this, something that can easily be mistaken for a pimple or a cut. And we're hearing from someone who has monkeypox, those lesions can start small, then suddenly spread. A small lesion on Antonius Minifield's hand sent him to the doctor. He was tested for syphilis, which came back negative. But a few days later,
I just went into the restroom and turned on the lights, and all of a sudden I just saw marks, just marks everywhere.
It took an ER trip and a 16-hour wait before he found out.
One person, once they saw my rash, just they were like, "Oh, this is like a monkeypox."
In Arkansas, it took Minifield 4 days to get his official test results back. By then, his symptoms were worse.
It itched. It itched. Oh my God, it itches. It itches. It hurts to the touch.
Minifield shared his experience during a town hall put on by Atlanta Pride and the Fulton County Health Department. Currently, Fulton County has the most cases of monkeypox in Georgia.
As of the 21st, we're at 106 cases of monkeypox.
And the county is having trouble getting and distributing limited vaccines.
We had 300 vaccine slots, and in 4 minutes, all 300 of those closed down.
Those are just some of the problems Fulton County and the state is dealing with. There's issues with contact tracing and getting accurate data. On top of that, people with monkeypox and those exposed are asked to quarantine for 3 to 4 weeks.
We have to provide government subsidies to allow people to stay home and isolate and not go to work, and ensure that people don't lose their jobs because they are home with an illness.
Georgia Equality is asking for more vaccines and trying to get the state to use some of the COVID funds to increase outreach, which they say is pivotal to slowing down the outbreak. And those groups are also trying to address stigma. So again, just as a reminder, this is not a disease that only affects people of color, and it is not a sexually transmitted disease. It is a highly transmissible virus that comes from prolonged skin-to-skin contact with lesions.